somewhere in the dark of the ocean, a creature is watching you right now. Its eye is built completely differently than yours, on a different branch of the tree of life, hundreds of millions of years away from your family tree. And yet it ended up almost exactly the same. This is not a coincidence. Evolution, without a plan, without memory, without any species ever comparing notes, keeps inventing the exact same body parts over and over again. Scientists call it convergent evolution. And once you see it, you can't stop seeing it everywhere. Take the eye. The camera eye, with a lens, an iris, a retina, the kind you're using right now, evolved independently in vertebrates like us and in cephalopods like the octopus. Two lines of life, split apart for 500 million years, landed on almost the same design. The octopus version is actually better. It has no blind spot because the wiring behind its retina is arranged more efficiently. Evolution solved the same problem twice, and one answer quietly beat the other. Then there's flight. Real powered flight has evolved independently at least 4 separate times. Insects first, then pterosaurs, then birds on a completely different branch, then, much later, bats. 4 unrelated groups, none of them copying each other, all arriving at the same impossible answer to the same problem. And then there's the shape evolution seems almost obsessed with. The crab. Biologists call it carcinization because it happens so often it needed its own word. Again and again, unrelated crustaceans have reshaped themselves into that same flattened, round, sideways walking body. Nobody fully agrees why. Some think the crab shape is just mechanically superior, so efficient that evolution keeps stumbling back into it. There's a running joke among biologists that everything, eventually, evolves into a crab. Echolocation tells the same story. Bats and dolphins, one flying, one swimming, developed the ability to see with sound completely independently. When scientists compared their DNA, they found some of the exact same mutations in the exact same hearing genes in 2 animals that never shared an ancestor with this trait. Even venom follows the pattern, appearing again and again in snakes, spiders, scorpions, even a platypus, as one of nature's favorite shortcuts for catching prey or staying alive. So why does life keep discovering the same answers? The truth is almost more unsettling than comforting. Physics and chemistry only allow so many solutions to any given problem. If you need to see, there are only a few ways to build an eye that actually works. If you need to fly, only so many shapes generate lift. Evolution isn't creative the way we imagine invention to be. It's closer to a blind engineer running the same experiment billions of times over hundreds of millions of years until it stumbles onto the handful of designs that survive. So the next time you look into an octopus's eye, or watch a bat cut through the dark, or laugh at another crustacean quietly turning into a crab, remember what you're actually looking at. Not an accident. The same answer, discovered again and again by life that never once compared notes.